so remember, we are short from '08, right? No, Capi, I didn't take the '08 short. Well, but that's when we knew it, right? At '08, we have a bearish bias, and everything is right here. Everything is right here, waiting for us. All right, so it'll continue going to our right to our O2, right? Okay, O2. It'll continue going to O2. So from our short '08 to 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 O2's 5 points, and and um, and we have to pulse it out the O2 because we have the psychological level right there. 400 is too close, right? All right, so we're gonna continue on the shore. We're not gonna buy uh, the low of the wave. Okay, we're not gonna buy it. We're gonna let it go all the way to 400. Okay, know that it's not gonna work. Okay, but we're gonna concentrate on the '08 short that just hit '02. All right, and we're gonna continue playing it, expecting the price to go to 90. That's not gonna happen anytime soon, but that's what we're expecting. All right. So main play is the short '08. We took advantage of that little uprising, so that we short before the break '06, right? So not only we're not buying '06, we are selling above '08, expecting the price to take it, continue to '02. That's '02 right there. All right, and even if it works, we're gonna let it happen. We're not gonna buy it. All right, we're gonna concentrate on the main play, short '08, expecting the price to go to '02. Already did. Of course, we have 400. There's a lot of traders that are gonna buy it no matter what. Okay, and we're gonna see how the price behave when it gets there. And remember, the bulls, they have a hidden. I wouldn't call it a trend, but they do have a hidden move to the upside. They will take it up. Okay, so we'll wait for it. Okay. In the meantime, we're gonna continue short, being short to 90, 390. Let's go over everything again. There is no juice behind today's session. Uh, Not that it wasn't gonna work. Look at the bounce off of '02. It's a beautiful bounce. Look at it, right? Isn't that beautiful? All the way to '05. 3 points. We That's the volatility that we have. We can't ask for more. That's what we have. Okay. All right. Well, it is what it is. Alrighty. Okay. So right. So we know that there is a hidden move. Bullish is hidden, and I'm waiting for the smart money to do it, right? So that we can have a little bit more information as to what's going to happen later on. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, so all right, so break of '06. That strategy that I told you, hey, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna be sure before the price breaks '06. I'm going with the bias. I'm gonna be sure before the break, so that by the time the price breaks '06, we know it's going to '02, right? You said it half an hour ago. So I can take advantage of that ride from '08 all the way to 6 points, right? Okay. We know that we are in a snake way. So we're supposed to buy the low and sell the high. But I told you not to buy this low. Even if it works, let's just watch it go. it's a way too risky. Okay, we have this 400 here, too close for comfort, and we still want to go with the main play shore. Alrighty, it's, it's another reason. Another reason is when there is no when there is no juice behind any of these move, we don't want to mess with having, like we always do, with having two plays going at the same time, short and long. Alrighty? Of course, look at it, right? This is another proof that what our system, it's unique in the world. Had we buy that O2, we would be, look at this, we went short OA, and the system says to buy O2. I told you not to. But look at it. Had you buy it, we still be short main play OA and making a couple of bucks here with the micros. Look at the bounce right from O2. So in other words, only one tick of heat. So this is a razor sharp entry long. Look at it. The O2. Price goes to 175. And it bounces all the way back to the break. Gee. I didn't see that coming, right? But let's wait for the strength of the move to come, right? For us to have two positions going. Right? So the price bounces off of Prisatico's snake wave low O2 all the way back to our first resistance, right? OA, remember the short OA? It goes back to OA quarter and bam, right? Remember, our job is to ride it all the way to 90 as long as 13. Okay, as long as the high of the wave, which is 13, is not taken, we want to continue our concentration on being sure and riding it all the way to 90, which is what we've done since the beginning, since this morning, 9 a.m. Okay? And ladies and gentlemen, this drop right here is the reason that I told you we're not gonna buy O2 the first time. Because look at it, right? We didn't know when this drop was coming, but look at it, right? Boom, boom, bam. Alrighty? That's 400 to the tick. All right? Look at the manipulation. Look at it, right? You kidding me? All right, so what? The 400, the bulls here at 400, giving everything they have. And remember, okay, there is a hidden uprising coming. And, okay, and I think, remember I told you that 10 minutes ago? There is an uprising coming. Here it is. All right, this is the uprising. So now what we got? So what do we do now? Oh, okay. So let's see. Let's see if it's gonna continue, right? All right. Okay. So this is the uprising. Now we have to measure this move to see if it's gonna continue to 13, and if the market changed direction to bull now, right? Then we're not gonna be looking to short 13 anymore, and this little 10, 13, right? And we'll be looking to buy, expecting the price to go to 13. All right, so let me get on it. Repeat. All right, so this bounce right here, this last bounce right here, right, from 400 to our shore 08, right? Okay, so remember what I told you. We continue selling short our levels of resistance. That's it. We're not buying. Okay. But look how it's been working. Look how this snake structure, shape of this wave has been working unbelievably, right? I could have said, oh, we are in a bearish, in a bear wave, or a bullish, or a turtle, or a kangaroo, right? I could have, there's a whole bunch of different animals, but we kept with this snake, and you know that snake means buy the low, sell the high. It's just that today I told you we're not gonna buy this low because there's too much manipulation. I already told you all of that, right? So we're gonna continue being short resistance, expecting the price to eventually go to 90, right? That's our plan. It hasn't changed since this morning, and we're gonna stick with it, right? Okay, terrific. Okay, so that's where we still are. Now, there is a difference now with this new move all the way to OA, to our OA. There's a difference now. This 08, 09, this 4410 right here, 0810, this 2-point range, it's a key area, all right, of resistance. So that's going to give us a lot of information. As long as the price is below 10, then we really want to remain bearish, and we have more confident now that the price will indeed continue to 90. So that's our job now. So usually what happens when we have a key area, 0810, right, is that the smart money is going to play with it, with this 10 right here. Take it a little bit up, down, a little bit up, down. It's going to be dancing around it, right? It's going to be a pain in the butt for everybody, from bulls and bears. Okay? Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. Eventually, the market will reveal itself. And we are going to see a break, a clear break off of that level of 810. We're going to see it. All right? Okay. We don't want to see it. We want the price to continue going down. Go to 400, break it, give us a little bit of a hard time here, 400, 06, 07, and then recoil, and give me all this dance right here, this leaping up and down of 6 or 7, but just don't even touch a 10, especially 13, which is the eye of the wave, right? That's what we want. Well, sometimes it happens, but many times it doesn't. Look at the bounce off of 02 again, and but we're counting on 10. We're counting on the price not to take the key level 10 to give us a move all the way to 90. So that's 20 points, right? From 10 to 90. That's 20 points that we're after. Okay? Clean break of 10, then it's going to go to 13. 13 is going to stop it, right? But then we're going to, then chances are that we're going to have to change hats to bull, and it is then. So in other words, all this move was just a trap, right? Clean break of 10. 13 is going to stop it temporarily, and then it's going to come right back down, find support, and on its way to 27. All right. So we want to know all of that now before it happens, so that we are totally prepared. All right. So we can tell that we have an extreme manipulation of the price this morning, and we're not expecting to buy a Lamborghini today, and we know exactly what to do regardless of what the price does. We know exactly what's going to happen next, right? And that's the control that a professional trader needs to have at all times, right? So that you don't let even this manipulation, the smart money, shake you out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember what I told you about 10? That's 10 right there, isn't it? That's 10 right there. It's a key level. Look at it. Boom! Again. Right? Look at it. Look at the action this morning, ladies and gentlemen. Right? So the bulls are determined to not let it break 400. Right? And we've known that this wave is a snake wave since 9 a.m. this morning. We haven't changed it. Time right now is 10 20. Right? Since 9, 10, 20 for an hour and 20 minutes. We've known that the action, the shape of the wave was going to be like this. I mean, like mathematically. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Right? Down, up, down, up, down, up. 10. Market is going to give us a hard time right here. 10. Right? It's a key level. We know that. And we know that the squeeze of the key level is 13. It's right here. We've known it since what? All right? And what else did we know? What else I told you a couple of minutes ago? We will see the clean break. We're going to see it. Look at it. So, isn't it right here? Look at the clean break. Look at it. Look at it here. The way the price is going to have to take our area of supply, 8, right? 8 is the beginning, our 8. 10, remember I told you, this time is different. Next time, this time is different because we have a key level now. This 10 is a key level now, right? So this time is different, okay? All righty then. Look at the clean break, beautiful, all the way to 10 quarter, right? So we have a system that tells us the future. We have a system that not only tells us what the price is going to do, but we have a system that tells us how the hell it's gonna do it, right? 10, it's right here, right? 10. This is 10, isn't it? 10 right here, isn't it this 10? Remember what I told you? What's the squeeze of 10? 13, right? So where did the price go? 12 half, all right? So we know that 13 is the high of the wave. So this is a short, the one that we're interested, right? Short. And then for us not to want to be short anymore, remember I told you, we're going to continue shorting our levels of resistance. We're going to see the break, 10. It's a key level. Price is going to give us, I'm repeating everything because this is just smart money haste that we know so much. Look at that. Back to 10. So it takes 10, right? But it's a clean break, right? So now, ladies and gentlemen, we believe that the price eventually is going to take 13. Right? Now we believe that the price, right? It just gave us confirmation right here. Now we believe that the price is going to take eventually 13 on the initial momentum on the first push. It'll go to 13. It just went to 12 half, right? So now we change hats. We're not expecting our all 90 anymore. Now we are counting on the price to break 13 and continue to 13, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 14 more points. Now I'm going to ask you a question. Is it going to be on a straight line all the way to 27? No, of course not. We know that it's not, right? That's what we believe now because we have a lot of information right here at 10, right? We have a lot of information. Okay, so bulls, ladies and gentlemen, manipulation continues. right? And bulls are gonna take advantage of this clean break to buy. They're gonna continue buying support, expecting the price to eventually go back to 13, take it, and continue to 27. And so will we, right? So trading 101, support become resistance, resistance becomes support. Alrighty? Okay. Gentlemen, hold on a second. So, all right, so we're clear, right? All right, this is not going to happen anytime soon, right? This 27, it's not going to happen anytime soon, right? It's going to be the same thing that was happening before when we were waiting for the price to go to 90, to 99. Oh my God, man, look at this. People buying 400. All right, so it's not going to happen anytime soon. But now we have a plan. I'm going to tell you. What do you think? Listen, we still in a snake wave. So we still buy support and sell resistance. It's just that we change the longer term move. We change it. We believe that the price is now going to 27 before it's going to go to 90. All right. So now the main play, it's bullish. It's long. Right. Okay. Right. The main play for the longer term. We, until I tell you otherwise, we are still on a snake wave. Look at it. That's why I told you no fiddle in the middle. So what? If we don't change the direction of this wave right here, this is all one wave, by the way. It has nothing to do with Elliott wave. It has nothing to do with Keller channel, with Fibonacci. This is none of that stuff. Not that it doesn't work, you know. All indicators work. They're great if you know how to read them, okay? So I don't have anything against any indicator. They're all nice. There's Fibonacci traders that make a fortune only with that stuff. You know what I mean? They know how to read it. It's a terrific, even moving averages. Moving averages, are pretty good too. When they work very nicely. All right, so no problem with indicators. It's the operator, the one that doesn't know how to use it. Okay, I'm gonna repeat this because this is extremely important. This break of 13, it's not gonna happen anytime soon. Even though we had this clean break just made us change hats in terms of where the price is going next. We were expecting 90. Something happened today at 10:18. You see it here, 10:18, right? 10:18, something happened. Bam! Right? Smart money destroyed a whole bunch of bears. We, on the other hand, are salivating, expecting the price to go towards our high of the snake wave so that we can short it again and then look at the bounce. All the way back to where? To our 06. Look at it. 06. All right? One of our levels. Okay, look at it. 06. Look at it. 06. All right? Okay. All right, so from 12 half all the way to 06 in a couple of minutes. 6 points in a couple of minutes. Oh, okay, good. All right? And we know all of this way before it happens, right? That's exactly how it's supposed to be, okay? All right, it's 13. It's not going to be taken easily. Key level, 10. What is the price going to do around 10 that I said 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago? This. It's going to be everybody's paying in the butt. But we change hats in terms of longer term, and we are expecting eventually the price to take this 13 and go to 27. All right. In the meantime, we're going to continue scalping because there is still a lot of manipulation, and I'm telling you, it's not going to be taking anytime soon. So if the price goes and takes 13, 13 quarter, 14, it's not going to happen. We are still in a snake wave, and there will be a lot of traders shorting this high of the level. Okay. Alrighty. And then you're gonna be flabbergasted by this. And then in order for the price to continue going to 27, by the way, right? In order for the price to continue going to 27, which is where we believe it's gonna go someday today, right? It needs to break it like this, right? On a sudden move like this one right here from 5 to 11, right? This 6 point. Look at these 6 points in 6 seconds, right? I'm expecting another break, another violent move that takes 13, and that's gonna give us a little bit of more confidence that we are on the right side, expecting the price to go to 27, 13, 27, 14 points. All right. As a matter of fact, let me repeat that. Okay. This type of action is the most difficult to read. Okay. So don't be surprised if we have to change hats again. We're gonna continue shorting 13. Look at it. Boom. 13 to the tick. All right. We're gonna continue short. We're playing the wave. All right? We're playing the wave. All right. Okay. So don't be. It looks so much like it's gonna break 13, right? Doesn't it look so much? And that's what we are expecting to happen later on, and a move of 14 points all the way to 27. That's what we are expecting now, right? But that's not gonna be yet. That's not gonna be easy. All right, but that's where we think it's going now. My point is that don't be surprised if we change hats again, right? Because when the smart money is manipulating this much, which is gonna put 90, right? This 90 right here, we're gonna put it in the back burner. Okay. All righty. Why? Well, because as long as we are in a snake wave, that we're supposed to look at that 14 to the tick, right? Didn't I tell you 14? Boom. 14 couldn't take it, right? Back to 12, 2 points. Look at that. 2 points in 2 seconds. This is going to be a pain in the butt, right? But we have the longer term. And because we are still in a snake wave, that gives our old 90 still, put it there in the back burner, the 90. Okay? Alrighty then. Okay, so how is the price going to take this 13, now 14? The most horrible way there is. Missed. It's going to be a mist like it's doing it right now. Okay? All right. So we had a bearish bias at the beginning. We change hats now, and now we have a bullish bias. Okay. 1475. Look at it. Because remember, not only we need to know where the price is going, but we need to know how it's going to get there. And I told you that this is exactly how it's going to be. All right. Okay. If we want a nice, clean, straight line shot to 27, then we need to see another violent spike. Alrighty. Oh my God, Capi, to the 14, man. Price went to 12, 2 points, back to back to my 14 short entry. Hey man, I'm gonna get out. I don't wanna counter trend. I don't wanna go against the future move. Even right? Of course, right? Okay. Right. We know that the future move is 27. You don't want to be against it. I totally understand. All right. Okay. Because that's the tactic, right? Price goes to our resistance. And what are we expecting, right? We are expecting to get picked up, razor sharp entry. That's the real holy grail, and hang around there. But if you don't want to go, if you don't want to drop, nicely immediately and stop break even, start trailing, right? That's what we all want, right? If it doesn't happen, then we look to get out break even with a small loss, right? This is comfort. Look at it. Are you kidding me? We've known since 1018, right? We knew it here at 10, 9, such and such, right here. We knew it. I told you. All right, key level. It's gonna be a violent move. We all. It's recorded. You're gonna read it to. You're gonna today when you see the video. You're gonna say, "Oh my God, yes, there it is. He said it." We all going to see the violent move taking 10. I said it sometime like half an hour before it happened. It happened in front of our eyes, and now we know everything. Change hat, pull back, buy support, ride this baby all the way to 27. Right? We're still gonna give a little, we're still gonna show the high 13, 14, but with the micros, because now the main play is long, right? So those of you who took a shot 14 right here, price went to 12, and then it did this, and he's doing the worst move, right? Took a small loss with a small position, the micros, right? But you are long support right here. Why? Because it's confirmation that the price will eventually take 13 and go to 27, because I told you half an hour ago that's the main play. Ride it all the way to 27, my friends. We like it when the market is two-dimensional, right? Well, right now it's in a single dimension right now. Right, so it's gonna be a tough one. Okay, remember. Okay, 27. Remember what I told you a little while ago. Okay, put 90 in the back burner. 90. Don't be surprised if we have to change hats again, because remember, today it's being a full-on, big-time manipulation action, right? When there is so much manipulation, getting our longer term targets, that's not going to be easy. All right. So we saw we saw this nasty for the bulls, right? Drop, right? Oh my God, yeah, we sure did, man. All right, because we wanted the price to continue 5 more points, right? From our last entry long right here, '06, right? '06, '07. We saw the bounce. We knew it was gonna take 13, and we were expecting a continuation to 27. Okay, good, nice pullback. It goes all the way to 21, and then it's trying to do it lower low. This is conventional technical analysis, and then bam! All of a sudden, we see here another violent action, clean break of. It goes all the way to 13. It doesn't clean break it, but it's taking it, right? So what do we do now? Well, what time it is? It's 11:13. We know that pretty soon official chop begins, and we know there is still a lot of manipulation. So phase 7. Okay, okay. So the smart money. Look at it. Tell me if this is not manipulation. Smart money goes and takes us, horribly all the way to 19. Well, first to 21, right? We're pretty close to our 27. It takes it there, and then all of a sudden, in a couple of seconds, smart money knows that we are not expecting the price to take our support 13. They know we're gonna build back better 13 long or establish a new position low, because as long as I don't tell you different, we are on our way to 27, right? We're gonna play that 27 all the way from here, right? From the break of when the price broke 06, pulled back, beautiful entry long, and now we're gonna ride it all the way from 06 to 27. That's 21 points. Is it gonna be an easy ride? No. Is it gonna be straight line? Of course not. So we've been holding. We know that this is support. A lot of amateurs, they get out here because this is their stop. For us, this is support. Why? Because we know that there are good odds that the price is gonna continue to 27. So they're not gonna shake us out, right? So keep with the plan. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in a single dimension and we are going to bring down 27. Oh my God, really, unbelievable. Yeah, we have to bring it down now to 23. Alrighty. Remember, the market is dynamic. It's changing all the time. Okay? Market is dynamic. It's changing all the time. And we're going to bring it to 23 now. And let's see. All right. Let's see what's going. Let's see if the vicious smart money decided to change long-term direction again back to 90. Let's see. All righty. One thing we know though, it's 27. Not that it's not gonna happen 27, but we do have to bring it down to 23. Okay, we have a new destination target 23. All right, so trading 101, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Smart money, it's playing with the amateurs here, right? It's taking the stops for everybody. You know, they still looking to go to 23, but of course they're gonna take all the stops of the amateurs, and that's what they're doing right now. We are going to desist of wanting to ride our trade all the way to 23 on a clean break of 06. This 06 right here, which is our initial entry when we change hats to bull, this one we don't want to see taken. All right, this 06 right here, clean break of 06, we're done. Time right now, it's 11:28, right? So it's gonna take a while, but I'm expecting, right, the continuation to our 23, and we take it from there. Right? We have to see. We have to see what else is this smart money. What other tricks they have under the sleeve, right? We brought it from 27 to 23, so we're gonna lock 23, but that doesn't mean that it's not gonna continue going up, right? Okay. As a matter of fact, right? So yes, we brought it from 27 to 23, and 23 is target 1, and we have target 2, 33. How do you like the bananas? It's gonna take all day. Well, so be it. I'm not in a hurry. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, is that 23 to the tick? Is it? Is it 23 to the tick? Tell me. So I'm gonna tell you this, only the true professional has a green day like we do today. All right, only a big shot, a real big shot. All right, only a real big shot trader. It's so profitable today, like all of us.